guys, welcome to my channel. You are in for a treat today with a Trendsend unboxing. My last unboxing of Trendsend was my favorite I had ever gotten. If you have not seen that, I will put a card up somewhere. Go watch it. Great outfits. I had been commented by a Trendsend stylist that was like, hey, I'd love to style you, request, me when you put in a request for a box, request me at this particular store, and I did, and it was best ever. So I've been dying to request another one with her, but I've been waiting to see if somebody would use my referral link so I could get 20% off, and then eventually I just gave up because I wanted a box, and then I timed it with a sale. So yay for sales. I will tell you guys all about the service and the brands and the prices at the end. I'm just doing a very brief intro. I already did this once, forgot to turn the microphone on again. I'll learn one of these days, or I might just stop using this microphone. I don't know, it's that great in the first place. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have 3 outfits to show you guys. They are awesome outfits. I'm very excited about this box. It is 2 fully styled outfits and then 3 sale tops. So excited about that. So make sure you watch it, and then I will see you guys here at the end to give you all the deets. Let's do this. Okay, first outfit, and I really like it. Super cute. I like this jacket a lot. It actually fits pretty well. The sleeves are not a mile too long. There's not a lot of extra here, and it feels pretty snug when I zip it up. So I'm actually really happy with the fit of this jacket. I think it's super cute. Let's give you guys a good close-up of it. Here you go. Now I have it zipped up, so let's check it out unzipped. And right now I've got the layering pleat piece tucked in, and I will pull it out for you guys to see because I'd like to get your guys' opinions as to whether you like it better tucked in or kind of hanging down. So the cami is, like I said, is beautiful. I love the color of it. I love the fringe on it. It is a bit long, but then I think that looks kind of cute with the jacket, and obviously it tucks. So I think I probably would tuck it. I think kind of how I had it, but there you go. So yeah, cami, super cute. I adjusted the straps. They do have adjustable straps, which I always appreciate. So I was able to adjust it up. And then the jeans, the jeans, they fit great. They're high-waisted, so that feels amazing. Perfect fit to them. She warned me in the style notes that I'd have to cut or roll these, but that's not a problem. I'd actually probably do both, cut off, because they're like a mile long, cut off some and then roll from there. But I'm actually really happy with these. So, all right, there we go. First outfit, very successful. Excited to try the next one. Okay, next outfit I think is super cute. I'm not a huge leggings as pants person, although around the house, yeah, for sure. But as far as going out of the house, but when I do, I like stuff that covers your bum. So I think this is a perfect tunic length shirt, super comfortable, and one of my favorite things, thumb holes. I don't know, I just like keeping my hand warm. So really cute. She also suggested that I throw a denim jacket over it. So let's do that super quickly. And again, a very great spring look to it. What do you guys think? I think it's very cute. Outfit 2 is very much a success, and just to clarify, this jacket is my jacket, not part of outfit 2, since I lost the unboxing video. I keep forgetting that. So if anything I say makes it sound like I think you guys know what I'm talking about and you don't, I apologize. It's just having filmed the unboxing, it was part of that. So anyways, okay, so super cute. Now, last up, I actually have 3 different tops. So let's go ahead and get those on. Okay, so here is one of the tops, and it is this kind of mineral wash, I guess they usually call it, and button up front here, and I think it is super cute, and it is nice to have some things that are a little bit more form-fitting, because I've got a lot of really flowy stuff, and that's not necessarily always the vibe that I am going for. It's nice for when I eat big and need something with a little extra room, but I don't always eat big. So I like this a lot. I could see myself reaching for this for a cute casual look. She suggested that I pair it with coral jeans, that I think I got this at a Trendsend forever ago, and so I think they look really cute together, so I like this a lot. Okay, next top. Okay, next top is this striped black and white top, and super soft and comfy. I think this sleeve detail, kind of this rib thing here in the bottom half, is super cute. And again, thumb holes, thank you very much. But if you don't want to use your thumb holes, I think it easily folds up and you can't even tell that it has that if you are not into that. And it's a V-neck. It's pretty low, so I would wear something underneath it, or just kind of keep it pulled back, though probably something underneath it so I didn't have to worry about it. But I think it's very cute. I don't have anything like that. I like the sleeve detail. Again, soft. It's soft, so I like it. All right, last top. Okay, here is the last top. It's super soft. I love the color of it. It's just this turquoise, slightly heathered look to it, and super comfy. It's got this crisscross in the front, which is a cute detail, kind of a sweatshirty. I don't know, I like this a lot. Now, she called it a dolman top, and I do see that, you know, slight kind of webbing, if you will. And you guys have probably heard me say that I'm not a huge dolman fan, but when it comes to dolmans, this is probably my favorite one. So it's not a big webbing thing, and you can't really tell so much with my arms down. I think it's pretty cute. So what do you guys think of this? All right, very successful, and really happy with these pieces. Let's go over prices and then decide what to keep. Okay, now guys, let's talk through prices and brands and all that fun stuff. Now, first of all, the note I got from my stylist, when she had requested me, she didn't realize that I'm actually very close to the store that she works at. So I'm going to come in and see you sometime, Melody. Anyways, she said, one of the things she said is, let us know if you want to have a style social at our store, 15% for all who attend. So, or I'm assuming 15% off. I'm not quite sure what a style social is, so I will research that, but I am curious if there are any Indianapolis area people. This is at the Hamilton Town Center. If they are interested in attending a style social, again, I'm not quite sure what that is, but I will put info in the description on that. So let me know if you're interested, and we'll see. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. So, oh, prices. Let's do that next. All right, let's start with outfit one here. Real quick about the service, I did forget to tell you guys about that. So Trendsend is a style service based out of the Ever Eve store. It is a regular brick and mortar store, and this is the service they provide. But if you like something, they have an online store, or you could actually go into the store and do your own shopping there. So super cool. And when I said earlier about I timed it with a sale, is meaning the store has a sale. You know, they get, I'm on their email list, and they say, hey, end of season sale, and I'm like, cool, Trendsend box. So they send you 2 to 3 fully styled outfits. I have lots of pieces in this box, which I am greatly appreciative for. And that's what I like about this. I love getting a styled outfit. I love the notes that they send about how to style them, and I tried in this video to actually pay attention to those notes, because I don't always, and I thought it had great results by doing that. They do give you 10% off if you buy 4 or more items, which this box is very much a candidate for me getting that. If you want to try it for yourself, you will get, now there's a $20 styling fee that doesn't get applied to anything you purchase, but your first box, you can get that for $1. So yay! Also, if you use my referral link below, you'll also get 20% off of your first box. I'll get 20% off. We're all happy campers. So I think that's enough deets on this. I think they give you like 5 days to decide what to keep and send back what you're not gonna keep. That's the deets, my friend. That is the deets. Yes, 5 days. Okay, so let's go through outfit number 1. All right, so we have cut from the cloth. This is the Mia high waist skinny, and it is $68.99. It is on sale. It is usually $89. Very much considering keeping this. I actually do not have anything cut by the cloth, I don't think. And I would have to cut them or roll them or both, but they're super soft. They're nice and stretchy, and I only have 1 pair of black pants that aren't distressed, and they were pretty cheap, so I could actually use like a better, sturdier pair. So very much considering keeping this. Then by Allison Joy, we have the Tegan Frey Edge Cami, and it is $24. Usually what? It is usually $58, so it is over half off right now. I think it's such a beautiful, you can see that color there. The fringe is beautiful. Again, another great contender to keep. I'm not gonna make any decisions till I know how much everything costs. Then by Marrakech, this is the Mazzy Moto jacket. Again, you guys didn't really get to see it close up. It's an animal print type jacket, kind of a faux suede. It's got kind of some moto seaming there, so very cute moto jacket. As you guys saw, it zips up, so I really like this. It is $69.99, usually $88, so I'm always excited to get stuff that's on sale. Okay, so that's outfit number 1. Outfit number 2, we have the Essential Camo Seamless Legging in extra small. It's $68, not on sale. That's their usual price, but $68 isn't too bad. I really like these. I think they're cute. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these solely because I don't grab my regular black Spanx very often at all. And I think I find that they have a good thickness to them, but I tend to be a little bit chilly in them, and that goes for all leggings. I don't wear leggings all that often because I'm cold. so I do find that I don't reach for them a ton because I'm just not getting a lot of warmth from them. And again, it's not that these are any colder than regular leggings. In fact, I think they're warmer than regular leggings, but they're still just not there. If you guys saw my lounging pants, you would understand they are fuzzy, they are thick, they are warm. All right, so the next up, we have this Peyton Jensen top, and this is the mauve rib tunic tee, and it is $24. That's a great price. It usually $58. And this one, so as you heard me say, I called it the rib. So I'm sure you didn't see it in the try-on, but there's ribbing here on the shoulder. There's a strip of ribbing here at the back. And so I really like this. I think this is a great contender to stay around because I think I would reach for this, and I think it's cute and it's affordable, and I like that. So I'm gonna have a hard time making a decision because I literally could keep everything in this box and be super happy with it. So, all right, let's do the tops next. Okay, we have, this is the Carson Dolman turtleneck by Allison Joy, $34, which again, very happy with that price. Usually $68, so sales are the best. Now, if it didn't have the little dolman detail, I would keep it in a heartbeat. I don't really mind the dolman, but will that keep me from grabbing for it? Probably not. I don't know. So I'm having a hard time deciding on that. So then we have the vintage rib snap front top by Chaser, and again, it is originally $68. I think this one's a definite keeper for me because I like the casual mineral wash. I like the way it looked with the coral pants, and it's affordable, so that's awesome. And I like having something that's not necessarily so flowy. And then we have the Sammy Stripe Rib Tunic Top, and it is by Peyton Jensen, and it is $44.99, and it is originally $58. So this was super soft, super comfortable. I liked the sleeve detail. It was a little bit low, so I would have to wear something underneath it. But I don't know, guys. There's a lot that I really like here. So thinking about that 10% off discount and maybe keeping 4 items, because I think that would be super easy to come up with. Okay, I am thinking about keeping the skinny jeans, and I do need to check my closet to see how I'm doing on black skinny jeans and make sure I'm not wrong about the fact I could kind of use another pair. The black tunic top, the orange copper, I guess it says copper, the copper tank, and the button down shirt. So I'm thinking about these 4. What do you guys think? How did I do? That was a hard decision. 3 of these items are all the $25 items because I love a good deal. These being on sale, I don't know. I'm gonna stop talking about it. Tell me your thoughts. Another really great Trendsend, so super happy with this. Love to hear you guys' opinions on if my decisions were crap or not. And again, if you live in the area near the Hamilton Town Center, let me know if you're interested in a social. And I love you guys. Oh, and don't forget, if you want to try it, I do have a referral link below to get you 20% off your first box. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and give this video a like up. Thank you to my stylist Melody. Love the stuff that you sent me. Really happy with it. So thank you. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.